Hey guys, hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. This is the Yamaha OEM soft cab. Works with the Yamaha windshields. Obviously this is for the RMAX 4. Biggest difference you're going to see with my install is normally this bottom section has rivets, and this normally goes on the outside, and you drill holes and you rivet the bottom in. I couldn't bear to drill holes in this beautiful blue paint, so I opted to modify the install. I didn't think as many people would be interested in this, but apparently I've gotten some good reaction. Couple of things. Before I forget, one guy wanted to know how easy it was to get in and out. So, only have to open it to about there. Just flip it up, come in, close it, and there you go. It actually seems easier to get into than my X4 with the soft cab. While I'm in here, I'll show you how the inside looks. Let me get a close up here. So basically what I've done is I've sandwiched this portion between the door frames, the door halves. I didn't put this fastener in because I didn't want to drill a hole through the cab itself, but the snaps actually keep it held between the door frame as anchors. You can see it's pretty taut. So you sandwich this portion all the way back between the door, and then right at this bolt I came out, and this would flap if you didn't secure it. So what I've done is I've made this fastener here that holds onto the stock snap, and just a piece of cord that anchors to the door frame here. You don't want to have it too tight because you want to allow this to move as you open and close the door, but just get you a better idea here. So from the end to here is where it's sandwiched. And the nice thing about this is, with the rivets, with the snaps, you have gaps between each rivet and the air gets in there. With this, it's more airtight. The other thing is, with it being on the inside of the door, when you get, let me zoom out here, when you get air gusts in the default location, air slips in underneath, whereas here, the door acts as kind of like an air dam, and it prevents the air from getting inside. And you're going forward here, so the air just rushes past that and it doesn't balloon. The other thing I had to do, so I have an anchor there, and I put an anchor there as well, and just zip tied it there. And this keeps this section from coming out. The back, for right now, it doesn't need anything. It's just hanging there. It's pretty tight, so it's not going anywhere. But if for some reason I want to roll this back, I'm just going to put a hook on this and strap it somewhere on the seat frame, and you can see the magnet's already holding it there. So I might, do more with it later, but right now it's pretty good. So let me show you this snap from the other side. There you go. There's your zip tied there. So some improvements that Yamaha's made is they put a plastic insert here. So this is, you can see the plastic insert here. So this stays nice and firm. What I'd like to see them do on future iterations is to put a plastic insert here, because this, even if this was riveted, this would flap back and forth at speed. It's not too bad, but if they could take the plastic they put here and put some in here, it'd eliminate some flapping. The other thing is, you'll see they have a zipper, kind of like a zipper protector. See how the zipper's not very exposed, so it's protected from dirt. The older models, this zipper was fully exposed, and you get dirt in there quicker. It's pretty good. I've had it in sub-freezing temps. The big thing with these soft cabs is the zippers eventually fail, and it's not actually the zipper that fails. It's these zipper pulls. These will eventually wear out, and they won't close the zipper. The zipper teeth, Yamaha chose a really good, these are coiled zipper teeth, and they're really good quality. They last a long time. They outlast the zipper pull. So every season or two, you can get these YYK or YKK, forget which, maybe it's written on here. Either way, you can get these replacement zipper pulls for like $5 a piece. Replace them every 1 or 2 seasons, and your zippers will pretty much function like new. So that's my rivetless, snapless, soft cab enclosure install. I dare say it almost looks factory. Okay, thanks for watching.